Asalaamu calaykum waraxmatullaahi wabarakaatu walaalahay qaaliga soo dhawaada maanta videoganeeto oo sheekha oo la dilay magaalada Columbus videogiisa banaan bixiisa ahayd maanta ayaan halahan yar idinka soo duubnay maadaama magaaladeena ay ka dhacday marka waxaan jeclaysan lahaa inaan idin dhaho u soo duceeyo insha Allah inuu Ilaahay u naxariisto gacanka aqdarana dishay waa sheekh oo loo wada baahnaa oo community-ga dhan ay aad u tabeen oo ahaa intaan wadada u soo baxeen wax fiican laga wada sheegaya marka gacanka aqdarana dishay Ilaahay dadkii dilay degdeg in lagu soo helo uu soo duceeyo asagana inuu Ilaahay naxariisto marka I wish inaan aadi lahaa maanta but I didn't go laakiin ma aaday halahan yar iga soo duubay marka waxaan jeclaystay inaan idin dhaho soo duceeyo insha Allah
We're asking the legal team to come here so that they can give us the remaining directions. Where is Jasmine and Kevin? Oh, we have more crowd coming, so that's why we would have to wait them before we move.
أكبر الله أكبر أشهد أن لا إله إلا الله أشهد أن لا إله إلا الله أشهد أن محمد رسول الله أشهد أن محمد رسول الله حي على الصلاة
Assalamu alaikum. Sir. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum, everyone. Again, thank you very much. You all know that we are here today to show support for our brother, late brother, Imam Mohamed Hassan. He was a father, he was a brother, he was a husband, he was a community leader, he was an imam, and the most important, he was a man of all humanity. We are here again to show that support in solidarity. We have here faith leaders, community leaders, business leaders, and they would be addressing the crowd. So I would wanted to introduce first Imran Malik, who would also be introducing us the rest of the speakers, and we would.
Assalamu alaikum everybody, and peace be with you all. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم والعصر إن الإنسان لفي خسر إلا الذين آمنوا وعملوا الصالحات وتواصوا بالحق وتواصوا بالصبر. Dear brothers and sisters, before I go any further with my remarks and also introducing our interfaith partners who have been here for last 35 years, working with us in solidarity of building bridges and fighting for peace and justice in our beautiful city. I will also like to take a pleasure to introduce the son and the daughter of Imam Mohamed Hassan, the late. They are also here with us. So inshallah, once we are done with our notes and our comments, inshallah, please take time to do the condolences with them as well, inshallah. And there'll be a lot more that the Somali leadership, inshallah, from the Central Ohio will be doing forward, collaborating and letting everybody know what the status is of this case that, you know, we unfortunately has been witnessing for last quite some time. Dear brothers and sisters, the beautiful city of Columbus has lost a loving father, a husband, a family man, and a leader who was not loved by few, but thousands of people all around the nation and also abroad. This beautiful soul was lost to an act of senseless violence and hatred